Connect Primary 1 for Egypt, Year 1, Term 1.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Connect Plus.
Exercise 1. Look, listen, and repeat. Hello, I'm Miss Munna. Hello, I'm Miss Munna. Hello, I'm Miss Munna.
Hello, I'm Hanny. Hello, I'm Hanny. Hello, I'm Hanny. I'm Yusuf. I'm Yusuf. I'm Yusuf. I'm Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm Hannah. What's your name? I'm Amira. What's your name? I'm Amira. What's your name? I'm Amira.
Amira.
Listen, point, and say.
Hello. 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 Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
I'm Hanny. I'm Hanny. I'm Hanny. I'm Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm Yusuf. I'm Yusuf. I'm Yusuf. I'm Amira. I'm Amira. I'm Amira.
I'm Busy Bee. I'm Busy Bee. I'm Busy Bee. Sing. Exercise 1. Listen and repeat.
Bag. 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 Book. 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 Blue. Blue. Blue.
B. B. bee.
Busy bee. Busy bee. Busy bee.
Bus. Bus. Bus.
Bag. Bag. Book. Book.
Busy bee. Busy bee.
Bus. Bus.
Blue. Blue. Blue.
Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say.
Open your book. Open your book. Open your book. Close your book. Close your book. Close your book. Open your bag. Open your bag. Open your bag. Close your bag. Close your bag. Close your bag.
Sing and do.
Open your bag, open your book, say hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. It's time to say hello. Close your bag, close your book, say goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. It's time to say goodbye.
Now it's playtime. Trace and complete the pattern. Now trace and color. Look carefully at the shapes and trace them with a finger.